gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Welcome to Houston, Texas. You may be wondering what brought me to Houston. I got fired from my job, just fired me without telling me the reason. It was like I need to get out of here and maybe experience something new to feel better. And I'm doing this with y'all. So, I'm gonna show y'all this hotel. This hotel is nice, bro. Watch, come on, let's go. Quick transition. No mames, güey. Qué puto calor, güey. Houston, you're fucking hot, man. Ooh, and humid. This weather reminds me of Memphis.
Alright, now I want to cover this place. It's called The Post. There's a lot of international food from Mexican, Asian, anything. I got a quesadilla. It was pretty good. It's 6.5 out of 10, but definitely check this place out.
Alright, let's see what's up here, bro. I'm curious. Wow, that looks cool. Wow. Houston. I wonder if I can do a drone shot here. Get in trouble? Maybe? Wow, look at the sun set right through my window. I'm back at the hotel. I'm gonna go eat somewhere. This place is called Le Bonnier. To be honest, I don't know how to say it.
Now, this place is beautiful. I totally recommend it. It is pricey, but it's great for pictures. Even if you want to propose here, you can reserve it. Go check it out. I love it.
Welcome back. Today is Saturday. I'm going to an art museum. Name here. Say it, si says que me. Si says something. Let's go see Houston.
Now, to finish off the day, I went to this butterfly museum. I wanted to explore the whole museum, but it wasn't worth it paying that $25 admission, and they were about to close like in 30 minutes. But I only had a chance to see the butterflies. It's chill. It's good to see the butterflies up close, but check this place out.
Whiskey cake. It's a must. Creo que este es un lugar que a mi mamá le gustaría. Mira.
Alright, Pop Stroke, this place I really wanted to play, but the wait time was 2 hours. But definitely, if you get a chance to go to Houston, go to it. It's like bars, drink, you get to play mini golf. I think it's inspired by Tiger Woods. Definitely try this place out. I mean, imagine just having a couple drinks, and then there's some food also. You have to check this place out.
Well, just got here to Alpha Land. It's Sunday. Uber driver dropped me off or Alpha Elite headquarters, and I didn't know, I guess there's a different entrance, so I'm just gonna walk. Let's go see Alpha Land. Also, it is hot. Houston is so hot, bro. Finally made it. Get it, bro. Yeah, there's a couple of influencers I follow online. They come to this gym. I haven't spotted one of them. See one of them, they'll be down to make a TikTok or something. I don't even have the pump yet. This gym is lit, bro. This gym is lit. I like it. It's definitely not your typical gym, bro. Working outside, bro. Why not? 20, you got some more. 21, yeah, get it again. 18, come on, I want to see it. Good, 22, get it. 19, that's you, buddy. Come on, 23. Everybody's swollen. Dope. People shredded as fuck. Gym 2 has the doors open, so like, I think it breaks a good sweat. Gotta get this. Did this on the daily. Here we go. Let's do a 3. Let's do a 3. Nice. If I make this, I get a like and a subscribe. Oh, yes. All right, last shot. Oh, you can't leave. You can't leave with the miss. Yeah, lit. Another basketball court. Soccer field. I like this one. Little private room. Let me do one more workout. Get it, 17. You don't know me, son. Get it, 18. You don't know me, son. Get it, 19. You don't know me, son. Yeah, 20. You got some more. 21. Yeah, get it again. All right, Alpha Land. Amazing. Great place. $40, 24-hour pass. It's pricey, so I'm gonna take my money's worth it, and I'll just come tomorrow again, get a good workout before I go back to Amarillo. So it should be a cool experience again. Gotta enjoy the pool before you leave.